bring you in warm, or I can bring you in cold.
Okay, so we got the Mandalorian and Grogu Star Wars Burger King Happy Meal. Mandalorian. Doesn't seem like it does anything. No, it doesn't do anything. Just sits there. Let's open it. There's Grogu. Again, he doesn't move at all. So how they compare to the McDonald's figurines in size. So they're quite a bit bigger. How they compare to the Lego size. And the Grogu size. There we go.
Till our paths cross.